Bit of Milwaukee today then. So we've got this Hackzall, and this is what it does. Not much at all. Got the flashing lights there, not much else. Now, the connectors look fine underneath, so we'll have a look inside. So nothing obvious and easy there on the outside. Now, looking at this, it's obviously well used, looking a bit hairy, which is a bit odd, but we'll clean all that off. We'll probably use the vac on that, get some of that off rather than blowing it into the air. Don't know what it is really at this point, so I don't want that in the air. So get as much of that as I can there, and then I'll give it a bit of a blow, clean this up, get rid of all of that. And I have got an extractor on as well. Some people normally say, what a mess, but there is an extractor there sucking all of this out. So the motor looks good, and it's connected at the back by the looks of it. So we'll have a bit of an inspection in a second, but I'm just going to clean as much of this out as I can. So there we go. Everything really around here, around the motor, just in case there's something stopping it from moving, but we know there isn't because I've just give it a little push. Now start at the bottom, and this is very obvious, so check that white cable out. This is the best possible thing you can find when you're doing tool repair. Very simple. This cable has come off this connector. So simple solder job, no spare parts, nothing like that. Now sometimes it's more than one fault. So fingers crossed here, this is the only one. And if it is, that's no spares, no cost, nothing like that. So brilliant news. So all I'm doing here is tinning both ends. The little terminal connector here, I'm just moving that solder around that's already on it. And then what I'm going to do is just push the two together, heat it up, and let them connect. Simple as that. There we go. Nothing too special, nothing too difficult. I'd say if your tool has stopped working, always just check for simple things like this before you throw it away, before you buy a new one. If you're not going to send it to someone to repair, just have a quick look yourself. That was really, really obvious there at the bottom. So just give this a little test before I whack the case back on. So I'll whack the battery on, give it a press, and there we go. That is brilliant, and that's always good news, as I say, really simple repairs. So we've cleaned all this out, we've blown all that stuff out, sucked all that furry stuff out, done a bit of a resolder, and that is back to life again. So we'll screw it back in, magic all the other screws in, there we go. Give it a final test just to show you from a few different angles. Awesome, you see the piston there at the top, looking good. So really simple repair. So don't throw them out, have a quick check.